Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming back just to let you know that I would pop this in real quick for My Creative Times 153rd edition release. She's also having her hop and giveaway. So all you have to do is leave a comment, be at least 18 years old or older. And I believe that's about it. And that's going to be for a $50 gift certificate. So make sure you're commenting here and on Instagram. And the ladies' links will be down below, so check those out. And now to the video. Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with My Creative Times 153rd edition release. And today is release day. So you will be able to use my code or any one of the designers' codes plus Emma and her mom's codes as well. My code is MOE for 15% off your total purchase today. And if you see my post yesterday, that's when I showed everything. So we'll just do a brief review, and I'm going to show you what I used to create the projects that I made for you today, and a recap of the ones I made yesterday. So the Christmas Gingers ephemera is right here. Now I added stickles to all of mine, so yours will not come with that extra shine, but you're more than welcome to put it on there. It looks amazing once you do. So I love how that ephemera turned out. And once again, that's Christmas Gingers ephemera. I think I may have pronounced it wrong yesterday, but not sure. But anyways, that's what we showcased yesterday. Then we also had the ginger tree, and this is adorable, and I turned mine into a box. And then the stamp and dies, those are called Cozy Holiday Wishes, and hopefully you can see that. It comes with the dies as well. And then we had two different double bow dies. We have a small, which is right here, and a medium. They do not come together, so they'll be sold separately, but these are beautiful when they turn out. Once you make them, they're gorgeous. And then we also have the treat box and button dies. There'll be 12 in this pack. Love those. And today I focused on some of the buttons, and I don't think I used these buttons today, but I did use these buttons and this part of this die here. So that's what I'll be showing you, what I focused on today. And then we also have the Rustic Christmas 2025 paper. This is beautiful, beautiful. I love this paper. Everything turned out so cute, and I love those gingers. And here goes the two items that I created for you today. I just wanted to do a quick little ephemera pack, something that you can give to a friend. They'll be able to decorate with what you've given them. But love this, and like I said, I did use this, and I turned it into a topper. And so as you can tell, I just laid that first piece out on a folded piece of paper, cut it, and then I cut it again to make the full top part of that. But really cute. Use some of the ephemera on there. Aren't those cute? I even added some, what do you call it, glossy accents on top too, as well as the stickles. Just too cute. And then this is where I used the small double bow die. I just used the back part, and then the one on the medium one, I used the back part and add a few buttons. And then I also added a few buttons in there that you can give away as well. And then here goes this one, that adorable little ginger there. Isn't that so cute with the stickles? Oh, I love it. Hopefully you can see it. And then once again, I added some buttons there and on top of those bows. But love how those turned out, just adorable. So those were the two items I created today. Recap on the ones that I made yesterday. So we have cue cards that I made. I made like a little set. So we have these two cards. Only thing that's different is the candy in the background. I also made a couple of the tags to go with the set. Really cute. Then for the box that I'm going to put these in, I used her belly band that's retiring, so oops, got it upside down. So make sure that you pick up that belly band if you want it, because once it's gone, it's gone. But anyways, I use that double band. I cut it out twice and then layer it up and cut off the piece that I didn't need, and then just covered that up with another piece of paper there. But isn't that bow gorgeous? I love it. And so that's also what I made. There goes the Christmas tree, or the ginger tree, I should say. And then I use her triangular box to make it so that it can be a treat box. You can just open that up, and I did add that little cut in there myself, so it's more easy to open. And so, really cute. And then here goes that treat box. I love this treat box. It is so cute. And then I just used the back part of that bow, added one of those little ginger buttons on there. This piece came from her label dies that I used to cut out that that sentiment there. And this is magnetized. But love how that turned out. It's so pretty. And so, like I said before, there's more that you can do with those pieces other than just on the box. But I love that. So those are all the items that I created for this release. Anyway, so my code is MOE for 15% off your total purchase, or you can use one of the other designers as well. So that's all I have for you. Make sure you have fun shopping and pick up some of the items out of that retirement sale, because it is a great time to purchase it and you get your extra percentage off. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.